Motivation, the $1 million business necessity, is a very elusive process outcome. Why is it elusive? Can we build a highly charged workforce? Of course, if our intention is to make it happen. I recall the article by Frederick Herzberg on motivation, termed as one of the best articles of HBR even after 50 years of its publication. One more time, how do you motivate employees? In which he explains positive and negative principles of KITA, kick in the ass. I repeat, KITA, kick in the ass. There are umpteen number of motivation theories built around sociology, psychology, neurosciences, etc. And most of us know about it. However, why still it is an elusive process? This brief video is to provide a different perspective on motivation and create actionable agenda to build a motivated workforce. There are three basic elements need to be understood from a different perspective to address this issue. Motivation, excellence, the individual outcome expected in the delivery, and growth, the organizational impact expected out of the motivated workforce. Like sharpening of a pencil as a metaphor, these concepts must be redefined and understood to make it meaningful in any context. Let us understand each one of them. Motivation can be defined in a very simple but profound manner. It is motion activated towards a specific life goal. Research and life stories of people who excelled as individuals, who built companies which are still sustaining, have clearly indicated that to achieve higher threshold performance, we need not have all resources at our disposal. Lessons learned indicates when there are lesser resources at disposal, people excel. That is, being resourceful is critical than having resources. Research also clearly indicates that all of them had huge self-belief and attitude of I can, even in extreme adverse situation. And the third pivotal aspect is action with a purpose. Action without purpose does not impact sustainable outcome. Therefore, a consistent attitude of I will is critical to make it happen. Processes and systems built around carrot and stick approach or both would not help to build a motivated workforce nor build excellence or growth. The second element of motivation, excellence, can be defined as adding consistent value from a customer's perspective. It means there are three contours of excellence: intention to do the best, orientation to quality, and customer sensitivity. However, purposeful consistency in all three is necessary to make the difference in creating value. The third element of motivation is growth. In simple terms, it is understanding the dynamics of a living organism. A wonderful metaphor is a growing tree. Without water, minerals, and fertility of the soil, a tree cannot grow. Most critical is the right measures of these three elements and periodicity. Similarly, when a tree grows, its branches do not grow in a symmetric manner. It changes shapes, paths, and direction while growing. Further interesting is that it sheds its leaves, which are not effective for its growth. It's a living organism like an organization. Understanding the dynamics of this living organism is important to redefine the concept of growth. Without appreciation of this reality, if we go on focusing on consistent cash generation and define it as growth, the curve goes through the cycle of diminishing value. There are 6 broken pieces to understand the reasons for organizations' failure to build a motivated workforce. This splits the culture of the organization and creates a highly demotivating environment. The 6 pieces of this splits are self-centeredness of the leadership, purposeless strategy, inactive listening, lacking intention, target obsession, and speed to deliver. For example, speed is important. However, using quick fix solutions to deliver fast do not help build a character for the organization. The only way is to get ready to shift our paradigm. Having understood the fundamental blockages for building a motivated workforce, let us understand how it can be built. It's very simple, but without purposeful intention, it can be very complex. We need to build it through care, communication with facts, fair, authentic, courage of conviction, transparent, safeguarding the interest of all key stakeholders. Attitude of accepting mistakes and learn. Building relationship with a purpose instead of commensalistic or parasitic relationship. Invest time and efforts in building a mutualistic relationship where the purpose will bind the relationship to sustain. And the last but not the least, an environment to excel consistently. Building a motivated workforce is not a 3 to 6 months project. It is a well thought out journey orchestrated by the leadership of the organization with a consistent attitude of learning from one another. A collaborative togetherness can only build a sustainable, motivated workforce. P2B could help your organization build a sustainable business entity. Send a mail, make a call, or visit our website to know more about our work. Let us together build an actionable knowledge for your organization. Thank you for listening to this brief video.